Good day. I'm very happy to speak to you today. My name is August Engelbrecht and I'm from the Faculty of Engineering at Stellenbosch University. When we think about engineering, you constantly think about the technological advances. You think about gadgets. You think about smart devices. And the reason for that is because the global technology world continues to push boundaries. But these innovations make lives better. In other words, it's improved on our lifestyles, the way we work, and the way we connect. What I would like to do today is, instead of just focusing on the smart devices that engineers have brought about and that engineers are continuously improving on, I would like to focus on the other reasons for engineering. The medical field, everything used in the medical field or in the healthcare sector, the engineers have played a role in the designing and the developing of those tools and smart machines being used in the healthcare center. What about robots? Can you believe that nowadays robots can play such a significant role in the healthcare center? Well, engineers are at the forefront of these technologies. So one can say engineers are also saving lives. Think about the coronavirus. Now, I don't really want to take you back 5 years ago when this whole world was in turmoil. We couldn't work, we couldn't shop, we couldn't be outside of our safe spaces because of the virus. Well, the medical field have really fight really hard to win this virus, as it were. But they did it with the assistance and the help of engineers. In the background, engineers was developing machines and tools to assist the medical doctors to fight this disease. Think about the vaccines that was developed. You remember standing in the queues and getting your jab every few months? Well, engineers have played a role to design and develop those vaccines. So one can say engineers have saved lives. If you think about the problems that we have in South Africa, now I don't need to tell you that water supply, the supply of clean drinking water, is a major problem in South Africa. There's a large percentage of our people that do not have access to safe drinking water. Engineers need to play a role to bring water to the people, as it were. What about this problem? We've got a major housing problem in South Africa. People do not have proper housing. Engineers certainly can play a role to fast-track the provision of housing in South Africa. What about this problem? Now, some estimates are that there's between 30 and 60% of people that can work is without a job in South Africa. Engineers can provide opportunities for people to work. They can create job opportunities. Well, this is another reason why we need engineers in South Africa. So, from saving lives to creating job opportunities, we need engineers. But we also need engineers for smart devices and to make life easier and to streamline things in the workplace. So, how can Stellenbosch University assist you in your dream of becoming a world-class engineer? Well, on the screen you can see what are we offering in terms of engineering degree programs at Stellenbosch University. We've got chemical engineering, civil, we've got electrical, electronic, and there's a new stream that started in 2020, the data engineering stream within electrical, electronic. We've got industrial, we've got mechanical, mechatronic. We've got these engineering degree programs, and they are all fully accredited by the Engineering Council of South Africa, and you can go and register and work in overseas countries such as the US, the UK, Taiwan, Australia, New Zealand, the UK, through the Washington Accord recognition of our degree programs. So it's worthwhile studying engineering at Stellenbosch University because I can even go and work overseas. So you can make a global impact as an engineer that have qualified at Stellenbosch University. So how do you get to study engineering? Well, on the screen you'll see the minimum and the selection criteria that we use. Now this is all based on your grade 11 marks. So if you're currently in grade 12, we're using your grade 11 marks to give you conditional acceptance. And remember, final selection will depend on your matric results. But the scores that you need to get, typically your average score needs to be 70% on average to even be considered, but more towards 75 will get you into the program. For mathematics, you need a minimum of 70 and a selection score of 75 plus. For physical sciences, 60, but selection score of 65 plus. If you use the formula in the left-hand corner, the selection score, you can work it out, 6 times your average, plus mathematics, plus physical science. So you can see maths and science are counting double in this formula. And out of 800, you can get a score between 600 and 650, and that will assure you a space in the Faculty of Engineering. So we know that you're going to work hard to get these scores, but that's just to give you a glimpse on how we select our students. How do you apply? Well, we want you to apply anytime from the 1st of April until the 31st of July this year for next year's intake. We don't accept any late applications, so please get your application in on marties.com as soon as possible. Apply for 3 degree programs. It can be in engineering, it can be in other faculties, as long as you have 3 choices that you've made. Also, please apply for accommodation. Don't expect to be accepted for a degree program and then you do not know where you're going to stay. Try your utmost to get accommodation sorted out before you arrive at Stellenbosch University, and apply during that period of time, 1st of April to 31st of July, on the same application that you apply for your degree programs. Please submit your grade 11 assessment, your final marks, that is for provisional acceptance. During your application, please submit that and then accept the offer by 31st of September. You don't need to write NBTs because that's not a requirement anymore. Okay, so what is the reward? Well, if you think of engineering, the reward is just an excellent reward, because you're making a difference in the lives of people through what you as an engineer will be doing. We can assure you that the degree that you obtain from Stellenbosch University is a quality degree. It's recognized worldwide. This degree will assist will assist companies, especially if they employ you, to solve technical problems. You can jump from one job to another, as it were, with this engineering degree. You don't even need to stay within engineering. You can go and work in many industries with your engineering degree. If you obtain this degree, it will require hard work from your side, but at the end, the reward will be worthwhile. We look forward to welcoming you in the Faculty of Engineering as a student, whether it's next year or the year after next, and we want you to obtain this rewarding qualification from Stellenbosch University. If you need further information, please make sure that you contact us. There is our Faculty of Engineering website. There's also my details. My name is August Engelbrecht, and it's august@sun.ac.za. There's my phone number, but the university's details is also available on the page. So, I would like to say, firstly, thank you for listening to me, and thank you for engaging with us through the year. We look forward to engage with you until you arrive at Stellenbosch University. But in the meantime, all the best, and work as hard as possible to obtain the best possible marks that you can. I thank you.